It's Saturday morning in the wood shop. What an incredibly fun, exciting, productive week this has been. Let me show you what I've been up to and what I have planned. To begin with, I want to answer the question that I'm getting asked the most right now in the video comments as well as in my email. When can we get the Smart Connect? Around Thanksgiving. Now it could be a little after, but I'm really hoping for a little before. The minute that they say they're ready, they're going to give me a link. I'm going to make a video. It's going to be a short one. It's going to be, hey, the Smart Connects are ready. Here's the link. The knob that I wanted to use was the speed knob. This is a phenolic knob. It's a heavy weighted knob. Producing this kind of knob is expensive, exponentially more expensive than those injection molding knobs that you can get online for just a couple of dollars. They have worked on an alternate knob, somewhere in the middle between the nice heavy phenolic knobs and those really inexpensive cheapo knobs. This is a really nice knob they sent me. I really like it. It doesn't have quite the weight. Now here's the really good news. They asked me what did I think a good price for a connect and a knob, and in this case the washer, the 3 parts, would be. And I sort of bit my tongue and said, because I had a price I was hoping for. I knew they couldn't be super cheap, that there had to be enough there for them to justify all of their expenses and, you know, make a profit. So they got back to me and agreed on the price that I had suggested. But the great news is I gave them the price for 1. The price I gave them, they're going to provide 2. If you're interested in these, make sure you're subscribed and ring that bell so you'll know that as soon as I put up that video, you can go to it and click on the link and go right to their site and get yours ordered. So other things that I'm working on, videos that I plan on making, this battery won't charge. It shows 1 light, it won't run anything, but when I stick it on the charger, it shows that it's full. Might be able to make this work again. So when I could go ahead and try it now, but I'm gonna wait and set up the cameras to make a video. So if it works, you'll get to see it. And there's a few different ways. So I'll try them all, whatever works if you see it. If it doesn't work, then that video won't happen and I'll just buy a new battery. I've picked up some tools lately and I want to, after I get a little more time with them, I'm going to make videos and tell you what I think of them. One of the tools is this Jessam stock guide. I got a set of these and I put them on my router table fence on one of them, and I've been using it. And I've been so impressed with this that I just bought another one for the other router fence. So I want to do a review on that. Another tool that was sent to me and I didn't know that I needed was this D-bag. And I'm going to hold off on telling you about this one a little bit longer, but I can tell you I'm really liking this. And to go with the Smart Wood Shop, because you know I don't use boxes. If I had my tools in boxes, this 12-foot trailer would have to be 24 feet long, and then it would still be more packed. I need my tools not in boxes and ready to grab, but because of that, I like to have gate mouth bags, like those bags you get with some tools, the soft bags. I'll use a few of those to load in what I need. Well, if I were designing a bag for the Smart Wood Shop, this would have been it. So I'll get a chance to show you how this works. This is my low-tech brain. So these are all video topics. Right now I have 33. Not that I'll get a chance to do them all, have time to do them all, but this is as I think of something that, oh, I want to do a video and tell you guys about this or that. There is a video that I've been intending to do for a long time and I've been procrastinating, but now I absolutely have to do it, and I'll probably do it Monday. I had about 10 sheets of this 18 mil and a handful of the 12 mil. And now I'm down to 1 sheet of the 18 and just 2 sheets of the 12. So I need to get this weighed before I cut into my last sheet of 18 mil so I can show you the actual weight. I'm also going to make a set of plans for the cradle. I've had enough demand for that. I've held off though because I want to finalize a couple of things. I did this quick release cradle for the sander, and that was really popular with a lot of people, and to be honest, I really like it as well. So I'm going to revisit the table saw cradle and see if I can. I'm gonna go ahead and make one of these quick release ones and put it on that just to see how it holds, you know, with this shorter amount of connection. I want to make sure that I like the stability of it, because if it works, one, it'll make that cradle a little smaller, and also that quick release will be really nice. And then I'm going to also make a cradle for the saw stop. That's one of the biggest, heaviest portable saws on the market. So I'm going to see if I can scale it up. I'm not going to do a video of that. I'm just going to do it because I'm going to be putting my head into it, and I don't want to bother with the cameras. But you'll get to see the finished product if it works. If it doesn't, I'll just tell you that it is a big, heavy saw. I'm kind of not sure if it's, you know, one, you got to lift the saw. So you go from a nice wheeled cart to lifting, and I'm not sure if you really want to do that. But at least it would show that if the cradle could be scaled for something that big and heavy. When I do the plans, I have to pick a tool to give dimensions and how to build it. So I'm going to go with the DeWalt saw because that's the one that I started with. It's the one that I'm going to have really worked out. But in designing it, I designed it with an eye toward using that same design for other tools. So obviously I just scaled it for the rigid sander. So what I'll do on the how to build video is I've got my Craig jig. So I'm going to take the plans once they're finished for the DeWalt cradle, and I'm just going to use those plans, and in the shop I'm going to make the adjustments on the fly to make it work for the Craig. So you'll know then if you've got a different tool, a different size saw, a different table saw, that you just take the plans and you know the foundation of it, and all you need to do is change this and this, and it'll fit your saw. The plans are coming for the cradle, but I need to spend a little more time in the shop, build a few more things, make a few more adjustments, and get them just right. If you enjoy these videos, if you've learned anything, if you like these Saturday morning drop-ins, be sure to give me a thumbs up and subscribe and ring that bell so you know when I put up a new video. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.